Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can basically add like music to your Instagram bio. So select the profile page here and you're going to select the edit profile and you're going to go to the music here and there's going to be add music to your profile. You're going to then select it. Then you're going to select pick a song for your profile. I'm just going to press the plus button here and I'm going to type in a song for it and I'm just going to press this song and I'm going to press done. You can also select like the duration of the song. I mean like the place you want the song to be on, then press done, and when you go back here you'll see the song here. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!